go and get brim. We never ask. We know so that we know so we don't so get a whole heap of them there. And yellowtails. But we not spare nobody today. If we get hook, him get cooked. Unless it's a little tiny snapper. Yeah. That is, of course, that excludes yellowtail. What you mean Drogba? What you mean Drogba? Oh, nice one. Nice one. A drop man. Boom! Take him! Take him! Boom! 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 Is them not too bad either?